Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Ontraport for CRM and marketing automation, full guide step by step clearly. Visit the Ontraport website. Locate the Get Started button on the home page. Click on the Get Started button. Choose the plan that best suits your needs. Review the features included in each plan. Select either a monthly or annual payment option based on your preference. Enter your email address in the designated field. Create a secure password for your account. Fill in your company name and any other required information. Agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. Click the Create Account button to proceed. Check your email for a confirmation message from Ontraport. Open the confirmation email and click the verification link. Log into your new Ontraport account using your email and password. Complete any additional setup prompts provided by Ontraport. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard and available features. Explore the tutorials and resources offered by Ontraport. Start customizing your CRM and marketing automation settings. Begin importing your contacts into the platform. Set up your first marketing campaign using Ontraport's tools. Review the reporting features to track your campaign's performance. Reach out to Ontraport's support team if you have any questions during the setup process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.